Hi, I am Ruchi Yeshwal. I am here to talk about Amazon business model Canvas. Amazon is the largest internet-based retailer in the United States. It started as online bookstore, later transformed to sell CDs, DVDs, music electronics, apparel, food, furniture, toys, just to mention some. Their vision is to be Earth's most consumer-centered company. They have more than 27 million active customers. Amazon can be classified both as long-tail business and multi-platform. Let's proceed to the business model canvas.
Key partners. They describe the network of suppliers and partners that make the business model work. Amazon's accomplishments are also thanks to the partnerships who can be divided into suppliers and manufacturers. Network of sellers, the alliance with social network in order to advertise publishers. Key activities. Key activities describe the most important things a company must do to make its business model work. Amazon's great success is based on the greatest performance of its web and apps. So we consider its development and maintenance as a key activity. It is also stand out for its constant innovation, bringing out new products and services. The world working net of net logistics and distribution is also fundamental analysis success. Value of proportions. Value of proportions describe the bundle of products and services that create value for specific customer segments. We must emphasize Amazon's wide range of products, its availability, the price, and the customer experience. It offers just that its vision states it allows customers and providers to go global in minutes. It offers speed and elasticity. It allows non-hit and hit items to coexist in a unique site. Regarding Kindle, it offers a unique performance. Channels. Channels are the way in which a company communicates with and reaches its customer segments to deliver a value proposition. Obviously, they connect through internet using both the Amazon site and mobile apps available distributor. Also, the effective way to get its million customers all around the world. Customer segments. These are the different groups of people or organization and enterprise aim to reach and serve. Just like we said when describing the long-term pattern, Amazon has big quantities of small niches, both customer and providers and developers. The customer segments can be identified as teenage, young adult, and adult readers. Cost structures. It describes all costs incurred to operate a business model due to the lack of stock. Amazon has a low constructor. Most of their money is invested in the platform development and maintenance. It is the IT and fulfillment infrastructure. We must highlight the economy of scope. Amazon is able to use the technology developed for internet, selling books, and their other goals to offer cloud computing service at competitive prices. Key resources. They describe the most important assets required to make a business model work on a physical point of view. We have the transit warehouse, which allow the right distribution all the sold products. Revenue stream. Revenue stream is the most widely understood revenue stream, and the rights from the selling ownership rights of physical product Amazon obtains. Its spine comes from retail sales. the commission on which reseller sales and prime mostly subscribers. Customer relations. It is the type of relationship a company establishes with the specific customer segments. Amazon is defined as an ultimate services. This type of relationships makes us a more sophisticated form of customer self-service with an ultimate process as the customer is the one to make his or her own purchase. But the site suggests new possible purchases depending on the first. It also has easy return policy if the product does not satisfy customer ID, and it promotes trustful and transparent trade.
In summary, Amazon's intention is to reach everyone in every place and provide a wide variety of products. Thank you for your attention.